What's up, everyone? So today I'm gonna go over 3 easy snacks that you can have late at night that won't leave you feeling like, ugh. So these are guilt-free, these are easy to make. Each one took me less than 2 minutes to prep. So I'm just gonna go over and show you what I did. And I'll also tell you some of the macros and breakdowns of these and why they're good. So first I took this is a protein powder I have in the house, Raw Fusion. Honestly, it's vegan, and it was one of the healthier options at the store I go to, but this really isn't that good of a protein powder, but it's all right. The flavors, it's banana nut, it's whatever. But I just used this. I used a scoop of this. I used 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, and I got a protein shake here in my Leonardo cup because I'm a huge nerd. The benefits of this is it's low carb. This is keto friendly. I mean, we're looking at 7 grams of carbs, 11 grams of fats, and about 27 grams of proteins and roughly 225 calories. So if you look hard at your proteins, you can find a much better option, which will have some better ingredients. And also you can find maybe even lower carb, higher protein. If you want, you could even add MCT oil if you're keto here. So there's things you can do to make this a good keto-friendly snack and not have it be a big carb bomb. The benefit about this, I'm pretty sure there's 0 sugar, 1 gram of sugar in here, and I don't think there's any sugar in the hemp seeds. This is basically a sugar-free option right here. So that's a great option again, and it's quick and easy. It'll give you a nice full feeling. So that's a good option to have. So that's option number 1. Option number 2, this is one of my favorites. Rice cake, I use Lumberg. I love this one. Lightly salted brown rice organic rice cakes, fantastic. And just some natural Jif, creamy. I also have Trader Joe's raw almond butter, which is really good, both good. So here you see just a rice cake with a tablespoon of peanut butter, simple. Now this peanut butter does have sugar in it, which is why I thought this might be a better option here. It depends on your flavor palette, but if you do have that little bit of a sweet tooth, let's give you a little bit of sugar, not a bad amount. I believe it's about 2 grams of sugar in this. We're looking at about 155 calories here, 8.5 grams of fat, 18 grams of carbs, and I believe it was 5 grams of protein, right around there. So this is a pretty healthy option. This is a quick little late night snack. All 3 of these options I'm going over are good bedtime snacks, easy things. There's a lot of other things we could do. You could have an apple with peanut butter, but that's gonna have more sugar. So if you're trying to stay low on the sugar, not go too crazy carb heavy, these are good options. Option 3, we have 2 Vibe bars. We have the Beauty Bar and the Calm Bar. The Beauty Bar is like a chocolate covered strawberry. It's great if you have that sweet tooth, but you don't want too much sugar. You're gonna get all the ingredients for healthier skin, hair, and nails. Who doesn't want that? Men and women. Also, you're gonna have only 5 grams of sugar, 7 grams net carbs, 12 grams of protein, 12 grams of fat, 200 calories. This is a great late night sweet tooth snack. If you're vegan, sorry, it does have the grass-fed collagen, but if you're vegan, good news, we have the Vibe Calm. This is a vanilla lavender bar. It has ingredients specifically designed to help you get a better night's rest via GABA, glycine, L-theanine, and lavender oil. So this helps put you in the right brainwave states. You get those delta brainwaves, so you get a deeper night's rest and can hit REM sleep. But that's not why we're talking about this. We're talking about this because it is fully vegan, it is fully keto, it's 4 grams of net carbs, 2 grams of sugar, 8 grams of protein. It is being reformulated because there was a little bit of issue with some oil leakage, but this will be fixed soon. I love this. This is one of my actually favorite bars. I eat these even with the little bit of the oil leakage. I still eat these almost every night because I know it's gonna give me a better night's rest. And how do I know that? Because I formulated it, so they work. So that's it. You got your 3 easy tips here. Snack option 1, you got a protein shake and hemp seed oil. You could also do peanut butter instead of the hemp seed oil if you want, but that is going to lower or increase the calories, the fat, and depending on the peanut butter you use, the sugar, which is the carb. So this is a simple, easy option number one. Option number two, we have our brown rice cake and our tablespoon of peanut butter. Again, if you want, you can double it. If you're really hungry and you're worried you're gonna pig out, this is a good, easy snack. And then option three, we have these two Vibe bars, which are good for nighttime snacking because no caffeine. And this one is specifically designed to be a nighttime snack, and this is an anytime snack, which is good for skin, hair, and nails. So those are the three options that I went over today. I hope you enjoy them. Let me know if they helped you, if you like them. Subscribe, comment, like, share it. So let me know your thoughts, and until next time, stay healthy.